Yeah, we recommend day and night. It's one of our better brands that we install. Less warranty, callbacks. We got from the bottom of the line where entry models all the way to 19 SEER efficiency with communicating Wi-Fi thermostats. We take the care to install these units correctly, make sure we know how they operate, go to the trainings on the equipment, know the in and out of your system so that you can stay cool in your house. Yeah, we continually do education. We try to do weekly meetings for just refreshers. We send them to classes with the supply house, with the equipment manufacturers. We hire from Votech. We do a lot with the parish here in St. Charles. Each house is different, so if your unit is not sized properly, you're not going to have the proper cooling time. A short cycled unit is going to not remove as much humidity, and down here in the south, humidity is our enemy. But what you want to do is have it run so that way you dehumidify and you'll feel cooler at a warmer temperature. So a correctly sized unit will run a little bit longer, but you're going to be more comfortable because you have less humidity in the air. That's a great advantage of larger units. Dehumidifiers are a great addition to kind of help with that too. So we take into effect, the whole house, insulation, windows, square footage, ceiling height. Make sure that you have a properly sized unit for your house so that you're as comfortable as you can be.